seen so much death, witnessed so much decay. I've seen too much chaos. It was all in disarray. I thought I've seen it all, but I saw nothing at all. I saw a girl who tried to stand tall. Two wars of land where life would fall. All I wanted is love, to make your heaven on earth. My garden of Eden was not above. It was here in the compassion of your breath. I lost my dreams, but then I found that hope is so much stronger and profound. So I wrote these notes and sang to you. I prayed with deepest passion that the sound of my soul will be your sound of my creation. All I wanted is love, to make your heaven on earth. My garden of Eden was not above. It was here in the compassion of your breath. That the sound of my soul is your sound of my creation. God, you were the one who made me whole. God, you are the sound of my creation.